Actually, I want to say this while I have this down. So you might see your S14 and you might have like triangular shaped speaker grills. And actually, I found out, and I could be a little bit wrong about this, maybe I am, but I had never seen like oval shaped speakers. So when I looked it up, it said that it was JDM. So I'm either guessing that either Japan only got these speaker grills and not the like the squarish triangular shapes, and this is a JDM thing, or it's just a thing outside of America. So maybe it's in Europe too and Japan. But I bought this online, and I like these a little bit better than the squarish ones, especially when you're going to put speakers in. I'm not really that much of a speaker guy, so I think some of the speakers come with grills, maybe that you can put on top of them, but and I actually think they do. But I think the problem with the other American shape is that when you put the speakers in, and if they're oval or circular, there's going to be a gap in a space, and water could probably get in there. So that's why I think if you change to the JDM ones, if you can get it, depending on when you buy a car, who knows, you could be looking at this video in 30 years. But yeah, the circular ones are probably the better way to go. So these are, to me, someone correct me if they have S14s or they're no better than me, but anyways, these are JDM to my knowledge only in the Japanese domestic market. So you'll have to get an S14 back speaker covers deck. And just to let you know, like, it should be obvious, but you never know. So you should always double check with the person you're buying it from, because throughout the generations and years, it could be the same car, but it could be a 98 or a 97 in some vehicles, and maybe one clip is different, or the pattern of the clips under might not line up right. So you just always want to check and make sure it fits. But confirmation, the JDM one does fit, which would make sense. I don't know why Nissan would actually spend money to make it different when it's the same chassis and the same vehicle. So anyways, I thought that was very important to say, because a lot of people might have that question.